Now, occasionally, you might hit a situation where you know you want to override a style and you know that you're never going to want to override it again, at least not in other styles. And so there's a way we can set our property to hold no matter what comes after it, and that's by using the important keyword. So if we set this to none, and then we add the keyword !important, you see that the border goes away. That's because the browser, as it's parsing through the CSS, as soon as it comes across the important keyword, will ignore any overrides to that style from that point forward. Now, in general, using the important keyword is dangerous because you paint yourself into a corner. Oftentimes, you come into a situation where you're just not sure how to override something. You don't know what selector you're supposed to use. And so, out of frustration, you add important to your property. And then later, as you're adding more styles, you discover that you actually need to override that in certain situations, like for a subcomponent, for example. And all of a sudden, you're not able to do it anymore. So anytime you're using important, in general, you should try to find a better way. Not because of any geeky, you have to follow the rules reason, but because you will literally hate yourself later if you have to override a style that you've already added important to.